Steve's 72. Got some AC issues that we kind of uncovered when we swapped out for the Mercury the other day. And we're also going to pull the rear drums. We'll take them over to Victor, have him turn those for me real quick. Get that handled, knocked out. That's easy peasy. Let's dig into this AC real quick. So the other day when Steve dropped off the car, he told me that the AC's been acting up. Like the controller's been being funny. Lots of programmers acting up, all that stuff. So, when I was backing it back in here into the warehouse, I turned the AC on. I mean, it was hot out. And about 15-20 seconds after I started it, it was nice and cool. Then the belt started squealing. So it was late in the day. I just parked it, and well, I'm gonna turn it on right now. All right, we're going to go high cold, and that of course feels cold. But let's see what she does. Of course, my luck,